Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to safely download the Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. This guide works in 2025 and will help you prepare for installing or upgrading Windows 10 the right way. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Microsoft Windows 10 download page. It's very important to use Microsoft's official site and not third-party links to avoid security risks or fake downloads. On the page, look for the blue button that says Download Now. Click it, and the Media Creation Tool will start downloading. Once downloaded, the file will usually be in your Downloads folder, unless you selected a different location. Make a note of where the file is saved so you can open it easily. Now double-click the file to run it. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes. This will launch the setup process for installing or upgrading Windows 10. From here, the Media Creation Tool will guide you step by step through the installation or upgrade. Just follow the on-screen instructions and it will handle the process for you. And that's it. You've now downloaded and started the Windows 10 Media Creation Tool directly from Microsoft's official site. This ensures a safe, smooth, and reliable installation experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.